This is GMEC-600 Auto Grain Grinder. The power need 30Q generally. The size is 1150 x 960 x 2200 mm. Material can be any kinds of grain and spice. Except this model, our company also have other models. There have 2 years guarantee with all of our machines. The height of the machine is 1.8 米. Please watch the inner structure of the machine. Thick double grinding disc, high production efficiency. It was customized wheels as customer asked. Please watch the testing video with corn. Please watch the working speed. If you like it, contact us without any hesitation.